Hi folks, I was having problem to update Symbisa firmware. I was getting error message. No device detected. So here are the steps to fix it. Under Open Device Manager, under Other Device, I was saying a STM32 bootloader with a warning sign, that yellow triangle. Click right button and update driver. Automatically search and wait. It will find, in case you're having this kind of problem. Well, here is SM device in DFU mode. We have successfully installed our drive device. So let's try to update the firmware now. Very good. Let's install it. Now my Symbisa board is alive again, showing charging message.